Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Bashir and today we're going to be learning about macromolecules. Macromolecules are large molecules that are found in all organisms. There are 4 macromolecules and this include carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acid and lipids. All macromolecules play a pivotal role in the survival of an organism. Without any one of that macromolecule, a living thing is not a living thing. Macromolecules are made from smaller subunits called monomers. These monomers combine via a chemical process known as condensation reaction. In condensation reaction, one subunit or monomer combines with another subunit or monomer, water is released, and a bond is formed. Let's discuss each one in detail. The first macromolecule that we would like to discuss is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is made from smaller subunits called monosaccharides. When one monosaccharide, for example glucose, combines with another monosaccharide, another glucose, the hydroxyl ends of each one meet. When the OH and the hydrogen meet, H2, 2 hydrogen, water is released. Carbohydrates play a pivotal role in the survival of organisms as it provides a short-term energy for all living things. The second macromolecule that we would like to discuss is proteins. Proteins are essential for organisms. They play a role in speeding up chemical reactions like enzymes. They're involved in the structure like your keratin and your collagen. They're also involved in signaling, for example, sending messages across the body like hormones. Proteins are made from amino acids. There is 20 different amino acids. They combine to form different proteins. Amino acid is made from 3 important structures, and that includes the amine group, the carboxyl group. It also has one important region called the R variable region. That is what makes every amino acid different. The way amino acids come together to build protein is via condensation reaction. How does it happen? As you can see, the amine group of this amino acid, NH2, nitrogen and 2 hydrogen, it combines with the carboxyl end. On the carboxyl end, there is a hydroxyl group, which is OH, as you can see. So this hydrogen and that hydrogen combines with the oxygen and water is released via condensation reaction. When water gets released, these two form a peptide bond. And when you get many amino acids joined together, it forms a polypeptide, which is a protein. The third macromolecules that we would like to discuss is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid carries the genetic information for all organisms. It contains instructions for making proteins. Nucleic acid is involved in regulating genes. Nucleic acid is made from smaller subunits or monomers called nucleotides. There is 5 different nucleotides and they include adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and in RNA you have uracil. Every nucleotide is made from 3 important structures, and this include the phosphate group, the pentose sugar, and the nitrogenous base. The way they join to make a large macromolecule of DNA or nucleic acid is via condensation reaction. In condensation reaction, again, same process. The hydroxyl end of one nucleotide joins with the hydroxyl end of another. Water is released and it forms a bond called phosphodiester bond. And when you get many monomers joined together, it forms a large macromolecule of nucleic acid. The final macromolecule that we would like to discuss is lipids. Lipids plays a role in things like insulation, in energy storage, and they're also found in the plasma membrane of all cells. Lipids are not usually considered polymer, but they are formed via condensation reaction also. Lipids are made from subunits called fatty acids and glycerol. The fatty acids, 3 fatty acids, join with one glycerol. In the glycerol there is a hydroxyl end, and the fatty acid there is also a hydroxyl end. They react, water is released for all 3 of them, and that's what forms lipids.